All right, so we're on the last apple. Our tips are have a peeler that swivels so it can follow the apple without creating pits in it. And try to find Red Delicious apples. Those are from Washington, and there were 10 in this bag. There were 12 in the last bag, but we, you know, apple shortage. And with 10 apples, you're gonna get about that full of a pot. Now it's got water in it because the first half
was
prematurely peeled. I was rushed, and we didn't want them to turn brown. But we're gonna pour that water off.
Pour most of it, not all.
Most of it, okay, and then it's gonna create a lot of its own juice that we have to pour off. But here's the peeling process. All the way around. Stop whispering behind me.
The gallery is not being quiet.
They're not. In a minute we're gonna have to go beep.
I just thought it was really funny that you're giving tips on how to peel an apple.
We are going from start to finish. Don't question my vision.
The director has
Yes,
spoken.
Mrs. Spielberg.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. I got it at
And have a really sharp knife.
We didn't do that. Hey, boo. Right.
Cut away all the green,
Most of it.
as much as you can get. And you try to find the biggest apples you can find in Red Delicious.
Yep. That's the peeling.
That's the peeling.
Does that mean
That all the water you're gonna pour off?
Yep.
Okay. And we'll use all that sugar.
We're going to use most of it.
Oh dear. All right, so now we wait for the boil.
Yep.
I haven't paid attention to
So your spoon should slice through them easily
Right.
before you drain them.
Yeah. And you can see it's cut them. So, now, I don't do every one. Let's see what
More draining?
probably not.
Okay. So how much water we got in there now?
About what I started with.
Okay. So back on the burner?
Yep. Turn the fire down.
And how long are we gonna leave them this time?
Now we're going to start the process.
Oh, okay. We're not gonna wait anymore. So we got a cup first,
That's actually about 3/4 cup.
3/4 cup in first, and 1 bag of hot.
But you have to do these slower because they don't melt.
So you're gonna turn your fire
In
down?
other words, you do melt one at a time first.
So what is that, half a bag?
Probably.
Okay.
And then you mash it down to juice so they start melting.
Now will they stick to the bottom of your pan?
You have to keep.
So keep them in the top.
Actually, I let the first batch kind of melt before I put in the other one,
Okay.
so they're mostly melted down.
And how long will it take for those to melt?
I don't know.
Not too long though,
Yeah, no,
because
no.
they're just sugar.
Once the water's hot, yeah, it will make it. And see, they haven't got down the bottom yet, so it's okay to kind of mess with them like this. And that starts the process.
Rest of the bag.
Yep, and then you just start, do that process over.
First the cup of sugar, then a bag of Red Hot. 5 times.
But we're going, after 5, we're going to taste them and
See
see
if
if after 4 we'll do it. I don't think that'll be enough. But I like to keep it off the bottom. You see how it sticks together? I can see there.
Yep. And your burner's on high?
Actually, it's on about 8.
Okay.
If you don't get it off the bottom, you'll have a wad of stuff on the bottom.
So there's no letting this sit.
Yeah.
It's-
And see, it's already made more juice since I poured that off.
So are you going to pour it off at any point before you get to the 4th bag?
I might.
And they do stick.
Yep. I think I'm just going to leave it.
And if you wait too long at the end
Yeah.
to pour anything off, you're losing half the sweetness.
Yeah, so. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it. Let's see.
This is about the right amount of juice.
See, that's about almost a cup.
So if you can make a bed in the center where the
Yeah.
juice is bubbling, it'll keep them from sticking as much.
Yeah. This is 3, right?
Yep.
You see they were getting get red now. I think the
Glow in the
juice is
dark.
soaking it in.
Yep.
Pink.
4. So we're not quite a full cup each time. About 3
Almost a
quarters.
cup, yeah,
Okay.
probably. You could put a full cup in there.
One bag left?
Yep. 4's in there. Okay.
I thought you had 6 out. Did you put one back?
One
Oh.
around the corner so I wouldn't use it. I mean, so I wouldn't, you know.
Just keep
if
going?
I need it, I can use it.
So you wait until there's no more scraping off the bottom
Right.
to go to the next
Yeah.
round.
Last time.
You put that in because it just makes it sweeter?
So I use it.
Because you have it.
Yeah. It's a lot thicker too, so.
Yeah.
But you don't have to do this. I mean,
Well, if you don't have it, you can't do it.
probably before we mash them, we'll take some of the liquid off because I can always pour it back if I need some.
Mission accomplished.
I think so.
So now we're going to pour off some liquid.
I'm going to take it out this way. You want to taste that?
No, I'll get some in a minute.
I usually take the liquid out there, it just barely runs in the spoon.
Okay.
See how it's flowing in there? Flowing in there. And usually after they get cold, I pour some of this back in because it soaks it up. The apple soaks it up once you
Right.
the jar
Until it
get
cools.
hot.
Okay.
Because the apples are soft, you just have to mash them up after it gets some more liquid out of it.
Jar number 2.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what that. Once you mash them, you have to get some more because it squishes the juice out of them.
Pretty good sized apples up on the inside of that one.
This is what really makes it look like the apples are. Well, you're going to have some larger chunks. You just can't have it because
Yeah, unless you get it in a food processor.
they don't cook the same way. So
Now, what is this thing you're squashing with here?
this is actually, it's just a different kind of potato mashers.
Oh, they're both.
It has finer holes.
I just didn't know if it's called something
Yeah.
else.
But it's getting there. You see, it's looking like.
Yep. Final tool.
This kind of gets the big chunks that didn't get with the other. Want to taste? No.
Yeah, I'll taste.
Okay. Let me have some.
We done?
Yeah, PV spoon. Hot. So be
Yes, yes.
careful.
Mmm.
Oops. Oops.